Hi students, hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing great. Today we are going to solve one of the JE question which is given on April shift page 2. This question is very easy to solve when you know how to apply the properties of determinant and how to apply the operations on determinant. This question is one of the easy question in JEE Mains which is given in page 2. I think we have uploaded around more than 25 videos in our channel. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe. And I am planning to upload NCERT textbook solutions for every problem I am solving, and I will upload in our channel when I reach 500 subscribers. Please help me and support me. Now go to the question. The given question is, if alpha not equals to A, beta not equals to B, gamma not equals to C, and that is given alpha B C A beta C A B gamma which is equals to 0, then what we need to find is, we need to find the value of this one. A by alpha minus A plus B by beta minus B plus gamma by gamma minus C is equals to 4 options are given. We'll try to solve this question step by step. See, if we observe, it is given that alpha not equals to A and gamma not equals to C. Let's say if alpha is equals to A, let's say if alpha is equals to A and gamma is equals to C, then this row and this row will be equal. If any two rows or any two columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. That's why those things are not equals to A and not equals to C. Now we apply the operations. Apply the first operation. R1 tends to R1 minus R3. Why am I applying this one? Because I need alpha minus A. See here, denominator alpha minus A is there. Next I need gamma minus C. If I apply R1 minus R3, I will get C minus gamma. If I apply that operation, I will get alpha minus A, B minus B is 0, C minus gamma, that is equals to 0. Next R2 tends to R2 minus R3. Here also A minus A is 0, B minus beta and C minus gamma, A, B, gamma, which is equals to 0. Now take alpha minus A common in column 1 and beta minus B in column 2, C minus gamma in column 3. Take those things outside. Take alpha minus A common in column 1. So alpha minus A common in column number 1, then we get 1 0 A by alpha minus A. Next beta minus B common in column 2, then we get 0 1 B by beta minus B. Next C minus gamma in column 3, C minus gamma in column 3. Remaining thing is 1 1 gamma by C minus gamma, which is equals to 0. Now dissolve the determinant by row 1, then we get, send this whole thing from left hand side to right hand side. 0 by anything is 0. Next 1 into gamma by C minus gamma minus B by beta minus B. No need to find 0 because 0 into anything is 0, plus 1 into B by beta minus B. Sorry, that is into 0 minus A by alpha minus A, which is equals to 0. 0 into anything is 0. No need to consider this one. Now here in this first term, take negative sign common, minus gamma divided by gamma minus C, because here required thing is gamma minus C. Next minus b by beta minus b, and this is 0. Plus into minus is minus a by alpha minus a, which is equals to 0. Multiply negative sign on both sides and write in proper order. A by alpha minus a plus b by beta minus b plus gamma by gamma minus c, which is equals to 0. This is the final answer for this particular question. 0 is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video a lot. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Please support us. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.